Sambonani, welcome to Couch Coach, your coach on the couch, the best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Normally, guys, I do match analysis, but now I'm going to start doing player analysis. So today I'm doing a player analysis for Usipombu, who AFCON Bafana player, right? So if it was one game, then the video was going to be short. But because it's 4 games, then it's going to be long. So if he touched, let's say he touched the ball the whole tournament, Ultintegai 100. But I'm going to show you 70% or 75% of his touches. Ne? And then in some videos, I'm going to analyze them, and then I won't. I'll just show you what happened. Now, during the tournament, while Bafana was playing, I thought he had a bad tournament. Like I gave him 5. But now when I analyze, you know, he didn't have a good tournament, but it wasn't bad like how I first saw it. And some of one of the reasons is because even Nama teammates when he was open, they didn't give him the ball. They were not passing him the ball. But let me start. Please let me know, Gucci, who else do you want me to do a video analysis if you enjoyed the video. Now let me start. The first minute of the tournament, this set the tone for me. Gucci, they were going to put him under pressure. They were not going to let him play. And the pace of the tournament was going to be fast. The first minute of the game, Azanga Tinti Pola comfortable. The first minute of the tournament, he was already under pressure by Amuisa. Normally, you'd hardly see him Bamfalo PSL because he is strong, was to protect the ball. But the whole tournament, he had a problem with physically. This was Bafana versus Angola, right? As a 10 or as a midfielder, you always go where there is space, which was a good thing, Uzala. But what I didn't like is after passing the ball there, he's going here. Don't go towards the ball. Stay la. You know, one of the mistakes that he did was to play close to Foster, right? Don't go la. Even though there is space, the ball is gonna come towards where there is space. La crowded. Just watch where this ball goes. Because you are going there, you are following the ball comes back. Now he's under pressure. So as a midfielder or as a 10, you go where there is space. The ball will always find the space. Again, Lapaya Bonile Bamfaga under pressure. It wasn't an easy tournament for him. Upega Futi, he'll receive the ball under pressure. Yeah, he's not a 10. That's the problem. I think this tournament really showed Abantu he's not a 10. Pressure. He's not a 10, he's an 8. He's supposed to play as an 8. This was a nice piece of play by him here. He didn't start the tournament bad. Lapha bekumele bamphase. Nala, he didn't get a pass there. One of the things that don't make him a good number 10, he likes going to the ball. There's no need, stay here. There's no need to go to Uyepolweni. Ibola will always come to the space. There's no need to go to the ball. If we have space in Ibola lizozalapha. Always recognize the space. Instead of Gutayele, you should have been here. Baltat. That's his trademark 10. If we are Mazi, he likes turning to the right. He hardly turns to the left. I think here it's one of the things that bezingayenza tournament yakhe ibe good. He should have done better there. Let me take it back. Imagine had he given an assist lana, you know, confidence yakhe, it would have been very high. Yeah, but hey, sizawuthini. This was a bad pass la. It was a bad pass. One of the things that make him to be a good player is he's always scanning. He's always scanning, and he's very strong. It's not easy to get the ball from Mbuli. No, this one, say, analyze. His first touch was bad. Let's take it back. Let's say analyze. It's small things that will make you have a good game. His first touch was bad, and had he passed the ball here or passed the ball there, but because of his first touch and second touch was not good, yiyo egcina imenze abuyele emuva. First touch, the second touch, ugcina sekabuyele emuva. Imagine had he played the ball, had he trapped the ball kahle. Don't go to the ball, go to the space. Look where he is. Usespacing, he gets the ball easily. Nice turn. If bekomunye umuntu bekazofuna ukuthenela abheka amapalo akhe. Go to the space, not to the ball. But la uzombona uzolandelela ibhola, but because he's good, he ends up doing his trademark 10. Yes, foul. Go to the space, don't go to the ball. Liza kuwe ball. Because you say spacing, it does very well la. I think this game and against Izim, he did very well, but not to the level or of expectation besizitshela ukuthi uzoba kuyo. That's why a lot of us sithi hey, he played badly. Uzokushaya ngaleya 10 yakhe. He always turns to the right. This is our second game against Egypt. This wasn't a good play for me because he was supposed to pass the ball forward. We end up getting a corner, ne? We end up getting a corner, but let me take it back and show you, Wuti, what I would have preferred. So, remember we are trying to go forward. Ne? We are trying to break a team. So here, you play a pass, Ugumudiba, and then he's gonna play a cross or whatever. So, Sesba, if he passes Umudiba here, we have already broken down immediate field. But by him turning around, it means now everyone we understand. Now we have to break them down this side again. Okay, we did, but we could have done it on the left-hand side. So for me, it wasn't really a good play because we are chiga, we really move. Earlier on, I spoke about him clashing no Foster, right? It's moving into the spaces, recognizing where is your striker. Stay here, don't go. We are too close. Send it close. Angeke nilithole noyi-2 ibhola laphaya. Look how many. The moment you go towards the ball, you are bringing another defender with you. Murem should have passed him the ball laphaya akalitholi, but now laba mnika khona, he takes his time. Instead of ukuthi abheke on the left hand side, he was worried. Umbheke la, he's worried about going to his right hand side. If kunomuntu ozaka right, he scans to the right hand side. Kanti nangu umuntu sekafikile ku left. You know, if you remember this game, ibhola belingahlali enyaweni. He got lucky there. I'll show you another part. Where ibhola ligcwale enyaweni. It really wasn't a good game for yena because kugcwele phakathi and he moves a lot. Sometimes it's good to move, sometimes it's not a good thing. Ligcwale enyaweni. When you play as a 10, your teammates they always need to look. They need to look for you. Just like Lapaya Umukwena, he looked for him. Manje abanye abantu, they don't want to pass, or they don't know how to pass the ball phakathi nendawo. Here's another example. La, he was supposed to be passed the ball. Dala. Hey, Mfukeng, wenzani? Yeah, this is us against Izim. This was This was his best game. Think at one off. This was his best game. Best game. And he could have scored in the first minute. But now if you think about it, equality ASM compared to Cameroon, compared to Egypt. That's why he played well, because equality. For me now, it just showed Uguti. He's not a 10, you know. He's an 8 for me. At this level, he's not a 10. Started very well in this game, but he's not a 10. Passa late, Muremi, but yeah, maybe Vele, he's a winger. Take on a player. There's one thing that he likes to do, which is that he's very good doing that and then protects the ball. One touch. That was a great pass. We don't score this goal without that pass. That one touch, Lelia. We don't score this goal without that touch. Always scanning. That's one thing that ashaya abantu abaningi. But Umurem is a winger that thinks about dribbling first before passing, and sometimes it's not a good thing, because sometimes umuntu uvulile wena ufuna ukudribula. Mfaka under pressure laphaya, iphasi kaMkwena bengekho right. Don't go to the ball, go to the space. That's what he did, Lapaya. Hlala escorting in the pocket. Wapolisi ubuyele emuva. Sesiphumile. Go to the space, yes. Hlale spacing. Ibhola, it always go to where there is space. sometimes you just need to pass the ball. Ungaqini, we know ukuthi you are strong. Sometimes you just need to keep it simple. This was bad defending. He doesn't go with the man. Bheka number 27 with him. Just because you're an attacking player, it doesn't mean ukuthi akumelanga ubuye uzomaka. This is our game against Cameroon. Ungene second half, and I think this was one of our best movements in the whole game. He didn't touch the ball a lot because they don't look for him. You look for your creative players. 1-2-1-2. 1-2-1-2. 1-2-1-2. 1-2-1-2. 1-2-1-2. Guys, that's all I have for you for Sipho Mbule. I didn't really like it because it was amagame amaningi, bits and pieces here and there. You know, it's not easy to really judge or put a picture ukuthi what happened in the tournament for Yena. But we also it live. Yeah, but we also it live into Begazenza in the tournament. So for me, before I did the analysis in Joba Bengisho, I gave him a 5. But now watching, I gave him a 6. Still not really a good tournament. But in Yapinda foot, Sipho Mbule is not a 10. And the AFCON just showed everyone he's not a 10. Yes, Sizom Judge or Wuti, he didn't play well, but the coach didn't put him in the right situations for him to perform. So if you like the video, Bafethu, please like, please share, and please subscribe. Please comment ukuthi ufuna ngiyenze eyakabani. Hopefully when the PSL Betway comes back, I'll be able to do my players individually per game, not like the whole season or my game 4. Ngiyabonga, thank you for watching.